Your container home is perfectly insulated, but it's already on its way to becoming a toxic mold greenhouse. The fatal flaw isn't your foundation, it's the very system you installed to breathe. I'm going to show you the HVAC mistake that costs $15,000 to fix, and why your standard mini split is the trap. This is the invisible failure that turns a dream home into a health hazard. And it all starts with one fundamental misunderstanding of the air inside a steel box.
The mistake is sizing your HVAC system for temperature when you should be sizing it for water. In a traditional wood frame house, you calculate the cooling power you need in BTUs to handle the heat load, but a container is a sealed steel box. Every drop of water vapor you produce from breathing, showering, cooking is trapped. It has nowhere to go. This creates a massive hidden latent load, the energy required to remove moisture from the air. A standard air conditioner, sized only for BTUs, is great at cooling this humid air, but it's terrible at drying it. You end up with cold, damp air, which is the perfect recipe for condensation on every cool surface, feeding the toxic mold that will grow behind your walls.
This brings us to the mini split trap. Because they're efficient and easy to install, builders put them in everywhere. But most common mini splits are not designed for the high humidity environment of a sealed container. Think of it like a glass of ice water on a humid day. The drink is cold, but the outside of the glass is dripping wet. Your mini split does the exact same thing to your house. It makes the air cold, but it can't remove enough moisture, keeping the dew point high. The result? Microscopic condensation forms on the back of your drywall and on your steel studs. You haven't just created a future repair job, you've created a permanent health hazard.
The professional solution is to change the priority. In a container home, dehumidification is more important than cooling. This means you need a system designed specifically to manage moisture. This could be a specialized mini split with a powerful dry mode or a dedicated whole home dehumidifier integrated into your HVAC. But the gold standard, the true professional solution, is an energy recovery ventilator, or ERV. An ERV is a set of mechanical lungs for your airtight home. It constantly exhales the stale, humid indoor air and inhales fresh, preconditioned outdoor air, keeping the moisture levels perfectly balanced. It is the only way to guarantee the air in your sealed home is both comfortable and healthy.
If you're concerned about mold and condensation, check out our previous video on the insulation mistake that fills your home with toxic mold.